Hi, this is Nate with StageRight, and this is the FR-2403 Fold and Roll Riser. It differs from the FR-2402 because it uses double-sided decks. The FR-2403 is perfect for any venue because it is safe, sturdy, easy to set up, and is available in a variety of heights and sizes. Steel tube construction provides optimal stability, and the black, baked-on powder coat finish makes it scratch resistant so that it looks new for a longer period of time. The FR-2403's low center of gravity allows it to roll easily, and the counterbalance aids in lifting. To create a larger stage, multiple units can be connected together by using our easy clips. The FR-2403 also accepts a variety of StageRight accessories, such as stairs, skirting, and more. When in storage, it locks into the folded position for added safety. Just imagine having this versatile, safe, and secure riser at your facility. For more information, please contact us.